They say success get plenty pikin. If you hear your name success, people go dey attach to you like say you be attachment. Everybody go wan make you be their family. They go dey claim you. When we dey talk, no be success of the name, but na that success wey everybody dey pursue. When we say if you achieve and finish, everybody go dey celebrate with you because nobody dey celebrate bad thing. Na never see wey person claim say my brother na thief. Never. But if you be champion, they go tell you say that champion na my brother, elder brother, sister na him beat am. Who dey talk again? Na this our black French 26-year-old man wey be say they give am another award. Make me say the award we don collect for 2 seasons now. Na him make am be double award for the year. Who be the person? Una go know as e dey go. Another player come outside again. Na him be the world best. People call am god of football. People call am commander of football. Anyone una like, una call am. But him sef don come confess. He open him mouth talk say, as una dey call me god of football, me sef I get God. Aside from the Alpha and the Omega, I get another imam wey follow my own Alpha and Omega. Wey be say me sef I dey admire from my tender age. Who talk am? Mona open na here, Mona no close am. Another player come dey again, all in life. From when he start from finishing as people dey talk am, na record in dey break. He no dey score, but he get record wey dey break. Everything we go give una, we go unleash am. Another man come outside and know am now. He call himself that chosen one, that special one. He talk something, and wetin he talk, we go unleash everything give una. We don dey tell una as e dey hot, as e dey fresh, as we go dey stone am. The first one wey I talk, who be that person wey know?
My brother too unique. As he just dey talk, as he dey talk, he dey totori my body. But make me, as he don lay the foundation, make me start to dey shoot.
Just dey build on top, dey build am on top.
Man start to dey shoot.
Na so now.
The first person wey he talk, na that man wey him height no pass like this.
Wey na be the same height.
Na like this him height dey shut up. Na like this.
2.2.
Na like no dey compare. Me I talk. I'm a tall girl.
You go stand me dey see.
You
know say na this chair break.
Me I know say I tall.
How you dey tall?
I be tall girl.
With your mouth,
I no mind too unique. The person wey we dey talk na like this him dey. Na average height. Him name na.
If you sit down on top cube, your leg no go touch down.
Allow me ma talk. You see say I dey. Why you no just dey serious for your life?
We no dey
talk some. I talk better matter. You dey follow me.
You say you tall. No dey deceive yourself.
Hold it. Na Kante wey we dey talk. That boy him say 2017 say everything na double for am.
Everything na double.
Na so him talk waka enter England just like that last season na Champions League na Premier League him collect. Now he wan come collect am again, come overtake again, go Champions League. Na so my people, wetin we dey try talk say in everything wey you dey do, work. No be only say you go work hard.
So that you receive achievement. The only player wey collect this record, wey collect this award, na him be Eden Hazard 2015 when he collect the double award. But Conte sef wan call am, he came from nowhere to somewhere and now he is somebody from nobody.
Yes, so
now after he collect Barclay PFA Player of the Season, then FWA, which is called Football Writers Association, all of them come put together and say,
this boy don do well.
This boy don do well.
They come sunshine.
Now the sunshine another award again. Give am so boy, collect these two, make take am paro for the end of the season. N'Golo Kante, mo give am our own. Well done, sir. Now
but still, that boy really tried.
Boy or man, I go dey call that kind of person.
Not be 27 years old.
Yes, so 27 years old or 26.
Okay, that young man.
Yes, you are just talking that young man.
Now, you know wetin dey vex me for your matter be say you dey always feel say you dey hear English.
I
hear English, you know, hear the one wey be even pidgin sef and small.
No, see, he's a young man, he is not a boy.
Okay, I don correct myself now. I say that young man.
Yes.
But he really deserve it.
No, he deserve it.
Because person wey work hard suppose sit down like this, balance, chop.
Cross leg,
chop.
Pull cloth, wash the left and the right hand, then you chop with the two because na the two hand na him take work. N'Golo Kante, no go relent to because people wey dey your back dey plenty wey dey want to take over and
overtaking is allowed.
Overtaking is allowed. You know this world, nobody is permanent. No permanent share for anybody. Only person will get permanent share. Na him be Baba Loke. So N'Golo Kante, don't give up.
Keep working hard.
Keep working hard. Another one wey tell na why dey turn na dey go. Na him be that boy wey tell na say he just start from finishing like I talk am. Even according to record, they say na him be the youngest man wey go first enter stadium.
At 9 months.
At the age of 9 months.
Too unique. How old were you when you entered the stadium? Me? When you visited the stadium?
I was at prenatal stage. You know they call prenatal.
They never even born you.
Yes,
that they never even planned. Say they go.
My daddy took me to the stadium with his embryo. So I'm sorry. Go and check it now. Make us go record because my papa carry an embryo. Go stadium take am. I was
unique. You know what I suspect? Maybe from that time, the boy they look say no, na just allow me grow. Ma just grow.
Who be this person who dey waste our saliva on top?
Do wonders.
Who be this person who dey waste our saliva? Nobody.
Na Sec Fabregas.
Is it Sec or Ses? Don't call the Ses.
I don't hear.
No, they did there.
I don't hear.
Say after me, say Ses, not Sec.
Na English, I mean Spanish.
It's Spanish. I speak Spanish. Le petit, le pois, le Spanish.
No promise, Peter beg. Na Fabregas we dey talk.
Fabregas now dey talk. This boy, they say 6 seasons consecutively. This guy dey get more than 10 assists in a season. Right from when he was in Arsenal. And I know where they call him now, Fabri pass. Where we dey throw those passes. So if blind man self collect and blind man go score in pass. This guy don't break another record this season. The only people who dey in back who say that they get a record, but na only 5 seasons they do, and then be our own daddy, Ryan Giggs, and our own rude boy, Wayne Rooney. But aside from these two players, nobody gets Fabregas record for Premier League. He's like he deserve our greeting. But give him Fabregas, well done, sir. Now you get this one again, where Fabregas. Next season, if you still go see the Chelsea, give them that assist.
No wonder no one come out. Because no one that serve the coach, no one serve.
And you know they play regular game.
And one he enter like this, they change everything.
You just see that in leg.
You
watch that assist against Boro. He just do the leg where this guy takes score, the last goal. He just do the leg like this. When
you know that kind of pass what they call a fantasy football.
You know, I name that Fabregas. Then to come fan together. Fabregas.
No. You get some people where we say they born football. Get some people where we say now learn they go.
They suffer. No, there's different thing learning. They suffer play football. Like our old people for years. I don't
know the people where they talk. See my armpit, baby, I know them.
Mosia. Yeah. Una go see crocodile. I mean, we no watch our destiny them for outside though. And I know it's not be your fault, you know. She be saying don't cost now. I don't know be one, but I'm sorry. Una hear anything, I don't hear anything.
But no, Mama, now if they like to they talk too much.
I'm sorry, Sha. I
know if you know they talk too much, like you go they talk nonsense. So they are used to your nonsense. Let's move on.
But also now they make sense of the nonsense what they talk, and I'm not go tire for our nonsense because sense they dey inside. Yes, what thing I want to tell you now, they say no matter how you be say you be oga, you will always they say madman get oga, and no matter how capital feel say strong reach, you know if you use a cheat comot name. Now we will talk Lionel Messi. Tell them what Lionel Messi talk. Me no be like saying my mouth.
Lionel Messi. Messiless Messi.
Athless Messi.
He don't come out.
Talk am.
Come out as in big rich.
Open up.
He come out. Is it the only person when he like, when he adore, when he admire, when he caress?
Oh yes.
No homo.
No.
Say now.
Oh, I would say no homo. Yeah, if we know is a mess, so don't say no homo.
No, I dey talk say Messi. The person when they talk all these things give.
Don't say no.
Say no be say na 24 years, I be 20 years old. Saying just now from his heart.
Natural.
This is na Zizou.
Zizou, now know
Zizou.
That person say
that person will get bad hair.
No be bad hair, he get stadium for his head. You go know.
Na true.
Stadium, you know.
Na Bernabeu dey.
Special players them. They go see sign of football for their body. If you see Messi now, in leg be like post. You go know say sabi score. If you see Ronaldo leg say na like this, he be na post. But Zidane because say na him be the general commander for football. Una go see him for here. Bernabeu dey in center of here.
He come carry him heart, come say na the only player wey he admire, but the only thing be say
wey pain am pass.
Wey pain am, wey touch am inside bone be say.
So they see dey cry.
He still dey hurt am. Say himself come vex.
Say him go copy his style.
Say him go copy his style. Say he never see him jersey collect.
Say he wan collect that
that jersey. Say he never collect am. Say na person wey him go sit down like this in quiet time. Dey imagine. Say how this man dey carry dey do am. Carry ball pa. Na inside net.
Statistics, circumference, trigonometry, equation,
factorization. Keepers themselves.
They fear am.
They dey back.
And he no be striker o.
I tire.
Midfielder.
Now wetin make me tell you say you get some people dey born them like this. as they push them comot football dey follow.
e dey follow them. Zizu world best don come outside talk am say sir you are my idol.
I honour you.
I honour you. I just cap for you. I put sokoto for you. The only thing wey pay me be say as I like you reach I no see your jersey collect because of that me too I no go give anybody any.
you come stingy with your own jersey
say
no
I no go give if I no fit see my own idol jersey collect I no go give. I am not a stingy rich so they if you see.
but you wait but Maradona na from Messi country and Maradona sef play fine football. Why Messi no like Maradona?
They say one man's food is another man's poison.
Na true my brother.
So me say
as you take like ogbono now me na ewedu I like.
You see and there's nothing you can do that will make me like ewedu so you can see that you say you get sense first time we go tell wetin I like pass you know.
I just collect you I just shake you. Which one be say I get so I no get sense.
That hand wey no go wash. I shake you, no happy. Yes, they say this man will say mouth too much. He's too loquacious, he's too pomposous, he's too talking. We say anything we say they do like this, go do like. I know what they talk now. I know. We say hair said don't white finish because of it. Arrogance don't make hair white. The special one, the holy one, the chosen one, the me and the one. He said he no get enemy. Say but person will just say the enemy-nize am. Now as a Wenger, please, how Polybag and Aloba take relate?
Una know say, as I talk say they born some people born football, they born money, born talk. They talk.
They must talk.
And that talk, they make money from. As we dey now, they born us born talk.
Talk.
But they talk and they make them happy.
They make them happy. Our neck just increase in size. You know they let them have mercy on us.
As we dey work hard, it go increase.
Let it increase.
No
please consider the circumference of this.
So Morio, make him talk. No, they surprise us. We know saying we talk.
He's used to it. Small no talk. And just say at Wenger they jealous am. Please, I dey take the jealous you. Say since when he come Premier League from 2004. Say that time say him come where Arsenal dey hot. Say na him come carry cold water come. Pour on top Arsenal. Say because of that, as Wenger hand come dey like this, they jealous and say go see, you go dey cut tie for am, they beef am, go dey do everything. Morio,
they carry shoulder.
I'm sorry.
Go dey dengue, go dey pose.
Go dey waka kurokere, go dey pose. Morio, please, I'm sorry. You just want to talk again, so make media carry. Okay, we are seeing what you have said. How as a Wenger dey take the jealousy, I don't know. But that man senior you in age. And in respect wey he give you, he know they take and they chop you. And for so far so good. Maybe wetin make I talk am say Baba win am for the first time in Premier League.
Na the thing wey dey pepper am be that.
Because he no believe.
Na the thing wey people
no know. You know say don talk and say till him go take comot for Premier League, Baba no go beat am.
And he know say Mourinho no dey like defeat.
He no dey like defeat. He come and say person wey say he don beat am.
Beat am front, back, center, left.
So the beating don fade. He said he no get colour again. Now the man wake up. Now they give them two. So anyhow like be, I don't know what you want to talk again, sha. But I want to talk person. They say person where they make mouth too much. If your mouth talk too much, hey, now Kara must go there to carry your beating for you. Tyson Fury.
Mind yourself.
Mind yourself.
Mind yourself. Uppercuts.
Go and
when they come up person memory card.
When they talk say they go tie your hand, you go use one hand beat Anthony Joshua.
Maybe never collect your uppercut before.
Uppercuts, no. Uppercuts neither one they collect. If it Tyson Fury, now you go take mind this program. Mind yourself.
Self.
Mind yourself.
Self.
Mind yourself. We don't finish.
No, carry.